What if fixing roads was faster, smarter, and greener without tearing them apart? Meet the Cymex ART 1000 Gen 2, the future of road maintenance. Mounted on my pickup-supported setup, this advanced system regenerates asphalt right on site. No removal, no hauling, just pure efficiency. It mills damaged pavement, blends it with a rejuvenating agent, and delivers a ready-to-compact mix in one smooth operation. With real-time electronic controls, every pass is precise and consistent. The result? Faster completion, minimal traffic disruption, and longer-lasting roads. This is cold in situ regeneration done right, powerful, sustainable, and built for modern infrastructure. If you believe in smarter roads, this is the solution. What if your road could fight cracks before they even appear? This is Hotelit XP by Huisker, a serious upgrade for modern road construction. Designed for high-stress environments, Hotelit XP reinforces asphalt from the inside out. Made with high-performance PVA, it delivers exceptional tensile strength and long-term durability, even under heavy traffic. Its bituminous coating creates a powerful bond between layers, while the lightweight backing allows fast, clean installation, perfect for my pickup-based workflow. The result? Reduced reflective cracking, better load distribution, and longer-lasting pavements. From highways to airports, this system is built for confidence, performance, and roads that stand the test of time. What if spray seal roads could last longer, grip better, and stay waterproof? This is the Chip Seal Grid by Huisker, a smart solution built for tough road conditions. Engineered specifically for spray seal surfaces, it combines waterproofing and reinforcement in one powerful system. A non-woven geotextile absorbs and locks in bitumen, while the high-strength biaxial grid delivers structural support right where it's needed. Installed beneath the seal, it blocks water, limits reflective cracking, and improves aggregate retention. Perfect for pickup-based road maintenance operations, this system boosts surface stability, extends pavement life, and reduces future maintenance. Reliable, efficient, and proven, this is next-level spray seal performance. What if every road line you painted was flawless, fast, and built to last? Meet the Hoffman H33, a professional road marking powerhouse from Hoffman. Designed for highways, airports, and busy urban roads, this self-propelled machine delivers precision you can trust. Powered by a Kubota turbo diesel engine, it performs confidently on slopes and tough job sites. From cold paint to thermoplastic, the H33 handles multiple materials with ease. Hydraulic drive, adjustable speeds, and crystal clear visibility ensure perfect lines every time. With pressurized glass bead systems and widths up to 1 meter, this machine creates durable, high-visibility markings. Professional results every single pass. What if potholes could be fixed permanently, in under 30 minutes? This is Permafike's L273 from Meon, a game-changer for rapid road repairs. Designed for busy streets and tight spaces, this cold-applied system chemically bonds to existing asphalt using advanced MMA resin. No hot works, no heavy machinery, just fast, permanent repairs that reopen to traffic in around 30 minutes. Perfect for potholes, surface defects, and ironwork surrounds, even where compaction is difficult. Available in multiple aggregate sizes and colors, Permafike's L273 delivers durable, clean, professional results. What if road crews could boost safety without stepping into traffic? This is the Raptor Rover from PSS Innovative, a smart trailer built for modern work zones. Designed to work with the Raptor rumble strip machine, Rover deploys, retrieves, and realigns temporary rumble strips quickly and safely. Best part? It's towable by a half-ton pickup, giving crews unmatched flexibility. The single-axle design handles heavy loads, while battery and solar power keep it running independently. By eliminating manual handling and keeping workers out of live lanes, Rover speeds up setup, improves safety, and delivers confidence on every active roadway. What if block paving could be faster, cleaner, and far less exhausting? This is the Road Printer bricklaying machine from RP Systems, and it's redefining how pavements are built. Designed for speed and precision, this innovative machine lays complete sections of block paving, including edges, in a single pass. With adjustable widths from 1 to 6 meters, operators work upright, feeding blocks smoothly into the system for perfectly aligned results. Electric-powered and low maintenance, the Road Printer delivers high output with minimal physical strain. Ideal for modern, pickup-supported operations, it's efficient, ergonomic, and built for professional paving performance you can trust. What if road markings stayed bright, raised, and visible? no matter the weather. This is SpotFlex by Metalback and Farbe, built for roads that demand maximum performance. This bi-component MMA cold plastic creates bold, three-dimensional markings that cut through rain, darkness, and heavy traffic. Its raised texture drains water fast and boosts retroreflectivity for outstanding night visibility. Applied with precision extrusion equipment, SpotFlex bonds powerfully to asphalt and concrete, standing up to snowplows and studded tires. From highways to high-risk safety zones, this system delivers durability you can trust and visibility drivers rely on. Professional, resilient, and made to last.